Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write a query in Google Sheet step by step. See this query and formula basic structure, formula, IT department formula, sales 500 plus, example use sales 500 plus. First of all, copy to this formula, press Ctrl C, then click anywhere. Example use to this equal, press Ctrl V, press enter. See this. Again use department plus total sales, press Ctrl C, equal, press enter. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.